it's rainy, but we're going to do our 5.4 miles today. We are in Franklin County in Pennsylvania. Must be a restaurant. Library. Summit Plaza Oriental. Why do they have a lot of hotels here? Church meetings. We are 1.8 miles to PA Route 16 Trailhead. You're almost there at PA 16 Trailhead. 0.2 miles. 0.2 miles. 450 feet. 450. 450.
Yes.
Oh, this one. Yeah, this one.
That's where I parked yesterday, and then I decided to come over here.
Ah, okay. That was good. That was okay. It's been raining since this morning.
Cheeseburger. Pepsi.
The forecast is at point 13 or point 11, honey. And for continuous hours.
Forecast 0.4 over the next 4 hours.
Point 4?
Over the next 4 hours.
Point
1 over each hour.
No. Can you hold that? Do you have, or you can put in my pocket. It will not fall in your pocket. There. No, it's okay.
Hold on.
Yeah. I just dropped my Insta360 can. Good that it's not too long ago and we haven't walked that far. And we came back.
Okay.
Uh-oh. So, it's because I disconnected it from the invisible stick. Oh, thank you, Lord. I found it. It was lying on the trail. Yeah. Okay, so it had been raining and since this morning, and so the trail is like a swamp. Like this. Some puddles there, here and there. Puddles here and there. This is Deer Lake Center Shelter. Oh wow, 2 of them. That's nice. Let's do the preview. Okay, very quick. I'll just get the picture. Okay, very quick. I'll just get the picture. Looks nice, clean. The other one here. Very nice. Okay. So this is the deer lake shelters. Okay. This is close to the old forge park, and the trail is flooded because of the rain that started and continued for hours now. So I think I'm just 1.2 miles to our pickup point. This is the weather.
Quit just in time. We quit just in time.
Yep.